Assalamu alaikum, third day class. How are you all, beta? Let's start our selection of short stories and one at place. And as you know that we are studying our second short story that is quite lengthy as well. And we had started a few days before, and we will try to finish it as soon as possible, inshallah. So let's start our lesson. Okay, beta, let's start. The appearance of all them troubled him. Okay, now you remember that what did we do yesterday? That Giovanni, he had an access in the garden. ठीक है बेटा, वो garden में चला जाता है. The appearance of all of them mean all the flowers, troubled him. There was scarcely a plant which a wanderer would not have been frightened to find growing wild in the forest. क्या कह रहा है कि there was scarcely a plant which a wanderer means who walks aimlessly. ठीक है, now he is talking about himself. Which a wanderer would not have been frightened to find growing. कि एक जो wanderer है would not have been frightened, कि वो उससे afraid नहीं होगा to find growing wild in the forest, कि वो forest में या उस garden में उगा हुआ है, तो कहते हैं कि he would not be frightened. Several gave the impression that they were no longer of God's making. ठीक है, अब उसमें से बहुत सारे जो ऐसे थे who and he find that they were not God made. ठीक है, they were probably mean perhaps the result of experiment. ठीक है, experiment का result है. Giovanni recognized but 2 or 3 plants and those were of a kind that he well knew to be poisonous. ठीक है, अब उसको पता चल गया था, Giovanni को recognize mean found out. ठीक है, उसको पता चल गया था, उसने पहचान लिया था. But 2 or 3 plants and those were of a kind that he well knew to be poisonous. ठीक है, कि वो poisonous थे. While busy with these observations, he heard a slight noise and turning beheld Beatrice coming from beneath a doorway. Now he was busy in the observation. ठीक है, he was looking at the flowers. So what did he hear? He heard a noise, and when he turned his head, he saw. Beheld mean he looked. Beatrice coming from beneath a doorway. ठीक है, एक beneath mean under, एक doorway से अंदर आ रही थी. Giovanni did not know how he should feel at being surprised there, but Peter's manner placed him at his ease. ठीक है, अब he did not know what should he do. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो सरप्राइज हो गया तो उसको वहाँ पे देख के, तो लेकिन बीटर्स के जो मेनस थे बेटा मीन्स के she has a friendly nature, so Giovanni he did not feel any kind of problem. ठीक है, at ease she came slightly along the path and met him near the broken fountain. There was surprise in her face, but brightened by a simple and kind expression of pleasure. ठीक है, surprise तो था, although she got surprised to see a young man there, but brightened by a simple and kind expression of pleasure. But she was having happiness as well on her face. ठीक है, and this thing made Giovanni easier. You are not a stranger to flowers, signor, said Beatrice with a smile, thinking of those which he had thrown her from the window. So what is she saying? That you are not a stranger to flowers. I mean to say, as you know that when previously Giovanni he had thrown a bouquet flowers to her, and that's why she is saying that you are not stranger to flowers at all. It is not surprising, therefore, if the slight of my father's collection has brought you to take a look, to take a nearer review. ठीक है, now she is saying that it is not a surprising thing that if the slight mean if this tiny thing या this minute thing जो ये garden है, ठीक है, इसने अगर आपको compel किया है, आपको मजबूर किया है कि आप यहाँ पे आए उसको देखने के लिए, तो it is not a very strange thing. ठीक है, if he were here he could tell you many strange and interesting facts as to the nature and habits of these plants. कहता अगर यहाँ पे होता तो he would explain me a lot to you. ठीक है, for he has spent a lifetime in such studies and this garden is his world. And because he had a lot of time spent in that particular garden, and he's saying that this garden, it is the life of our father, because he had done a lot here. ठीक है बेटा, next paragraph, next page. Beta, I just set my camera. Okay, it's clear? Yes. Yes, beta. And yourself, lady. ठीक है, and yourself, lady. Okay, and yourself, lady, observe Giovanni. ठीक है. Observe mean he commented or he said कि if fame says to are likewise skilled in their virtues. Now he's saying that there are a lot of things that I have heard about you and your father, that both of you, if fame says that to are likewise skilled in their virtues, कि आप दोनों जो है, I mean to say कि father and daughter, they are both skillful in their virtues, कि उनकी possessed virtues हैं, both are excellent in it. If you would be my teacher, I should learn more than if taught by Senior Repeksani himself. कहता है कि if you were my teacher, I would learn a lot of things by you than your father. ठीक है? Do people say that I am skilled in my father's science of plants? कहते हैं कि क्या लोग ये कहते हैं कि मैं अपने फादर की जो साइंस ऑफ प्लांट्स है, ठीक है, उसमें स्किल हूँ. No, through I have grown up among these flowers, I know no more of them than their colors as well. कहते हैं कि no, though I have grown up, I mean to say कि there are rumors about her that she was a part of her father's experiments, but it was not true. She was also an innocent girl. ठीक है बेटा? So he's saying that no, though I have grown up among these flowers, I know no more of them than their color. कहते कि although I have grown up among these flowers, but I don't know more than their color and smell. ठीक है? And sometimes I would free myself of even that small knowledge. कहते कभी कभार तो मेरे पास में है, I want to free myself of this knowledge. ठीक है? जो ये थोड़ा सा knowledge है, मैं अपने आप को उससे भी free करना चाहती हूँ. There are many flowers here that shock me and do not please me when they meet my eye. She's saying that there are many flowers, and when I see that, I don't get pleased. ठीक है बेटा? But pray, Senor, do not believe these stories about my science. Believe nothing of me. Say what you see with your own eyes. कहते हैं कि just you should not believe on the things that you have heard about me, but just believe on the things that you have, what you see with your own eyes, that you have seen with your own eyes. That she is trying to tell her that she is an innocent. Okay? And must I believe all that I have seen with my own eyes? Said Giovanni, pointedly thinking of former scenes. No, Signora, bid me believe nothing. Say what comes from your own lips. कहते हैं कि तुम ये चाहते कि मैं उन चीजों पे believe करूं जो मैंने अपनी आंखों से देखी हैं. Pointedly, mean to say making a sign, इशारा करते हुए, thinking of former scenes. And when he thought about the former scenes, ठीक है, जो पहले scenes गुजर चुके थे, जो पहले जो कुछ हो चुका था, when he was remembering that scene in his mind. No, Signora, bid me, forgive me, believe nothing, say what comes from your own lips. कहते जो मैंने तुम्हारे अपने आंखों से देखा है कि आपकी जो lips है, when she touched the flowers and when she breathed, ठीक है, so the insect and the animal, you remember in previous lecture I told you that an insect or an animal, small yellow color animal, it dies, ठीक है, so he is remembering all these things. It would appear that Peters understood him, but she looked full into Johnny's eyes with a queen-like care. Queen-like means like queen. ठीक है? It seemed that she was understanding what Johnny was saying. Giovanni saying. ठीक है? And she is giving him a queen-like expression. ठीक है बेटा? I do. So bid you, Signor, she replied. The words of Peter's Repeksini's lips are true from the heart. The words of Peter's Repeksini's. ठीक है? Now she is telling her full name. I do so bid you that I will forgive you, Signor, she replied. The words of Peter's Repeksini's lips are true from the heart. I mean to say that I am telling you honestly. Okay? While she spoke, there was a smell in the air which the young man scarcely dared to breathe. Of course, she was poisonous. So when she was talking, there was a smell in the air. Okay, beta? And he was hardly dared to breathe in that air. A faintness passed like a shadow over Giovanni, and as he gazed into the beautiful girl's eyes, he felt no more doubt or fear. Okay? So a faintness, I mean to say unconsciousness. थिंग, ठीक है, पास लाइक ए शैडो ओवर जर्नी, थोड़ा सा उसके ऊपर उस चीज का बेटा इफेक्ट हो रहा है. ही इज इन इफेक्ट ऑफ those poisonous things. And as he looked into the beautiful girl's eyes, he felt no more doubt or fear. So उसको मजीद उस बारे में कोई भी डाउट ना हुआ. ठीक है. Beatrice now became gay and appeared to delight in her conversation with the youth, even as the maiden of a lonely island might have done. अब क्या तो Beatrice now became gay. Gay means she was now happy, ठीक है, and appeared to delight, and she seems that she was feeling happiness in the conversation with that young man, and even And it seems that even as the maiden means young girl of a lonely island might have done, कि जिस तरह से वो एक maiden हो, young girl of a lonely island, so she feels pleasure in talking with a young man, so she was doing. Talking with a voyager from the outside world, जो कि outside world से एक voyager आया हो, एक wanderer आया हो, ठीक है, दूसरी दुनिया से, so she seeks pleasure in while speaking to him. Evidently, obviously, her experience of life had been contained within the limits of that garden. ठीक है बेटा? So because she was brought up in that garden and she didn't see anything outside the world. So while talking to Journey, it gave her a lot of pleasure. ठीक है? She talked now about matters as simple as the daylight or summer clouds. She asked questions about the city or Giovanni's distant home, his friends, his mother and his sisters, questions that Giovanni answered as if to a child. ठीक है? From time to time they crossed in the young man's mind a sense of wonder that he should be conversing. ठीक है? जब उससे बात कर रहा था तो एक sense of wonder, हैरानी सी जो है वो देख रहा था. ठीक है? Her like a brother and should find her to human and so maiden like. अब उसको एक तरह से ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे he was talking to his younger sister. ठीक है? Now after many turns among the garden paths they had come to the broken fountains beside which grew the magnificent bush. ठीक है? वो जो पर्पल कलर की बेटा बुश थी वहां पे जो उगी हुई थी वो वहां पे आ गए थे. A smell came from it which Johnny recognized as being similar to Beatrice's breath but much more powerful. कहते हैं कि जैसे उसने फील किया तो उसकी जो स्मेल थी इट वॉज मोर powerful than Beatrice's breath. ठीक है? But much more powerful. As her eyes fell upon it, Giovanni beheld her press her hand to her breast as if her heart were beating suddenly and painfully. ठीक है? For the first time in my life, she whispered, speaking to the plant, I had forgotten you. Now she is talking to plant that for the first time in my life, I forgot you. ठीक है? I remember, Signora, said Giovanni, that you once promised me one of these living jewels in return for the flowers which I threw at your feet. Permit me now to pick it. कहता है कि तुमने मुझसे वादा किया था कि तुम जो है वो मेरा जो है वो मतलब कि मुझे ये ज्यूल्स जो हैं ये दोगी इन रिटर्न ऑफ माई फ्लावर्स. सो कैन आई लेट मी now pick it. ठीक है? He made a step towards the bush with extended hands, but Peter rushed forward with a cry that went through his heart like a sword. She caught his hand and drew it back with her whole strength. जैसे ही वो बेटा step forward हुआ उसको पकड़ने के लिए, so she held his hand and she made a loud cry that went through his heart like a sword. ऐसे उसने चीख मारी जैसे उसके दिल पे जैसे तलवार बांध के गिरती है. ठीक है बेटा? She caught his hand and drew it back with her whole strength. Touch it not, she explained. Not for your file, it is poisonous. कहते हैं कि please इसको मत touch करो, it is poisonous. Okay students, that's enough for today's lecture. Inshallah we will start tomorrow from the very next passage. Till then, Allah Hafiz.